Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Today we are discussing about SAP BTP. What is SAP BTP? Imagine a comprehensive cloud platform housing a plethora of services for application development, integration, data management, analytics, and artificial intelligence. That's SAP BTP in a nutshell. It's your one-stop shop for building and running next-generation business applications. What are the benefits of using SAP BTP? Agility and innovation. Develop and deploy applications rapidly, experiment with new ideas, and adapt to changing market needs with ease. Scalability and cost efficiency. Pay as you go model eliminates upfront infrastructure investments and scales seamlessly to meet your growing demand. Integration and interoperability. Connect seamlessly with on-premise and cloud applications regardless of vendor, fostering a unified data landscape. Data-driven insights. Leverage powerful analytics and AI tools to gain actionable insights from your data and make informed decisions. Enhanced user experience. Build modern user-friendly applications that improve employee productivity and customer satisfaction.